Hi, my name is Sam, and this is the second series of our instructional videos on Canon Rebel T5i, also known as 700D. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your SD card and also how to begin the setup of your camera. So you are going to see that over here I have a device that is attached to the camera. This is simply because what I'm going to be doing on this device needs to be reflected on the screen for you. So it's going to record this screen down here so you can see it for the instructional basis. To begin with, after you've charged your battery during the setup, the battery goes in one way, and you're going to see if you put it in through the way in the direction where the part it has to connect to the camera is facing the latch, that would be the wrong way. So you want to turn it around, push it all the way in gently, and it locks right here. After you close that, you want to make sure that the SD card panel opens this way. And there are two types of SD card that we recommend you using for this type of camera for videography or photography. One of them is the U3, or you could use an SD card that is SD10. That's the card that you could get. This one is a 16 gig, this is a 32 gig. I am in favor of shooting my videos and pictures with a 32 gig card, and also it's a better brand and better quality. It gives you a better exposure. And you want to insert the card in just like that, and again you push it gently and you close the latch. In order to get the card out, once you open the latch, you just push down and it pops out, you remove it. To turn the camera on then, you want to make sure before you turn it on, you put it on the green tab here that says A+, and then you turn the camera on. Once the camera is on, it's going to prompt you to enter the date and go through the elementary steps of setting up your dates and basic feature of the camera. And now we are going to go and format the SD card. To do that, you're going to push the menu button on your camera. So after you push the menu button, then on the screen you're going to use the AF button on the back of the camera, and then it continues to come down to a wrench with one dot above the wrench. That is where you basically see the format card. When you get to the format card, you press set. So to format the SD card, you are on a screen that's going to show you a format card. All data will be lost. If it's going to prompt you with that, nothing to worry if it is a brand new SD card that you're using. Otherwise, if it is a card that you believe you have some images saved on it, you may want to make sure that you back up that card, the items on that card on an external hard drive. So when you're formatting that card again on your brand new camera, you don't lose any of your data. And you use the arrow to come right, press OK, and it is now in the process of formatting the SD card, and you're ready to take your first picture and have fun with your new toy. Stay tuned and watch more of our videos. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this video, just write it in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel to be informed of the next video that's going to come up to show you more cool features about your T5i or 700D Canon. Thank you.